Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be taking a look at the Holtzman's Fixed Knife D2 Steel Blade gift set. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now I went to the Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival website, and you look at it. Normally it's $250, on sale for $150. I can find these for right around $150, but this was given to me. You've probably seen it in a video a while back when I was unboxing some mail, and a veteran actually sent it to me and gave it to me. I really haven't done nothing with it. So I thought what I'm going to do is do a review on it. And I know the American Legion in Winslow, Indiana, Post 115, is doing a fundraiser. So I know a veteran gave it to me. I thought it'd only be fitting to donate it to, now I'm using the word donate to the Legion for their fundraiser. Hopefully they get more than $150 for it. But it comes with a really nice, I'm gonna call it a holster. I mean, it's a really nice gift set. A nice holster. Your knife. Still has the plastic on it. Never even took the plastic off. A real nice handle. I mean, when they made this, they took pride in it, because, I mean, that lines up perfectly. Everything's nice and smooth. You got a good grip. You got good balance on it. There we go. You got fire starter. Your striker. Allen key to adjust the tension, and a lanyard. All in all, I mean, it's hard for me to not give it a 5-star rating. I mean, it's really nice. Price wise, $150. I think it's a bargain. But like I said, this was given to me, and I'm going to be donating it. I'll have a link down below, and then the video too. I'm sure you can actually check them out. If you buy one, you're not going to be disappointed. I'm not going to use it. I can already tell it's quality. Comes in a nice little gift box. It's a solid 5 out of 5. I mean, that design alone is amazing. It really is. It's adjustable. It's a really nice gift set. It really is. I mean, if you got that special someone in your life, you want to get, and they're into knives or survival or camping or whatever, man, this is going to be a really nice set for them. Solid 5 out of 5. Like I said, I'll have a link down below. You can check them out. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.